All right, another photo to share with you, a wintry scene out there near the Battle Lake area. Thanks so much, Audrey, for taking the time to upload your photo. We did get a coating of snow, but really the story of the day, the icy road conditions developed by all of the gusty winds over 50 miles per hour. Now, as we look ahead, here's what we are concerned about. Tonight, we're changing our attention to the cold that takes hold. Wind and cold temperatures causing dangerous wind chills as we go through. We still have areas of reduced visibility and blowing snow out there as well, particularly in open country out in lakes area. Saturday, first alert weather day, another round of snow. Periods of snow will be possible from the morning straight through the evening for some areas. We'll time all that out for you, but 1 to 4 inches for many appears to be in the docket. And as we head into Sunday, the cold returns and biting wind chill as well. Here's the winds, and we have sustained winds at 30, gusting almost 40 still in Fargo. So anywhere you see the colors here, that's where the strongest of the winds are. Notice it out to the west in the central part of the state. Bismarck, 7-mile-per-hour winds. So it is tapering off, but it is picking up some of that fresh fallen snow and blowing it around. Reduced visibility from parts of eastern Lakes Country and Becker and Otter Tail County out to Wadena and Hubbard County, and not far from you in Clearwater and the Beltrami County areas. Most of the snow showers on the radar quieting down, but we remain cloudy. Temperatures are chilly. We are crisp, and we have temperatures that are as cold as 21 degrees in the central part of the Dakotas where skies are clearing. Factor in the wind. We have wind chills that are approaching 10 degrees. So we have dangerous wind chills, and we want to take this moment to remind you that if you have not done so yet, throw that survival kit in the back of the vehicle. That should include blankets, mittens, hats for everyone on board, just in case you get stranded by roadside. You can stay warm. Now, forecast model does show that we could still have some renegade showers of snow in central Minnesota, but those should be wrapping up. And the yellow wind arrows from the north taper off as well. That means the gusty winds will settle down a bit as we head into the overnight hours, but all evening long we'll have gusts over 25 and even 30 miles per hour. Then overnight, look what happens. We have a weather maker on its way. These are just light snow showers that will be developing in eastern North Dakota out ahead of the main Alberta Clipper that will be developing as we go through the day. Temperatures to start our day will be in the teens and 20s. Wind chills dipping down in the single digits for some of us. Now, as we go through the midday hour, the snow chances move into the valley. Notice the darker blues here. It'll get heavier. So the main event occurs in the afternoon, although it could be snowing for the better part of the day. The south winds pick up tomorrow. So we see a switch from those gusty north winds today to breezy south winds, but not overly so. It's going to come with some warmer temperatures, and thanks to that, look at this. We could have areas of rain and mixed precipitation after the snow. Keep that in mind if you're out hunting. Now, as you go through the day, notice the snow will be persistent throughout the day in northern Minnesota. Mixed precipitation, southern valley, heavy periods of snow right here from the James River Valley through the central Red River Valley into Lakes Country. Now, because temperatures will start off colder, this snow could be fluffier and therefore accumulate a little bit more than our round one event. It's going to be out of here, though, by the time we go to bed. But what returns after the snow will be the wind. They're not timed together, folks, so that's better for travelers. But keep in mind, the roads will get an extra layer of slippery. Anywhere in the dark blue shades, 2 to 4 inches possible. We could have isolated pockets with even more of that. A couple models suggesting upwards of 7 inches of snow. That may be possible. We'll keep our eyes on how things transpire as we go into the day tomorrow. A trace in the far north or far south at best. And in the south, we'll count on a little bit of mixed precipitation as well. Snapshot on your Saturday, temperatures near 30 for most of the area, and we will have that chance of snow showers and maybe mixed precipitation down south as we go through. Heaviest in the afternoon and early evening, done before midnight for most. So this pumpkin here is a little frightened by what he sees out there. Laura, thanks for your rural share in North Dakota photo. It is a dandy. A planning forecast. Cold in the morning on Sunday. We'll have wind chills down in those single digits again. We have another little shower chance on your Monday, but it doesn't look like a big impactful event. How about some 40s on Tuesday, Mike?
Yes.
I think that'll feel fantastic. And you know, quiet weather is something that has me really excited. A little quiet weather late next week. It's been busy.
You get fired up when it's the other way too.
Well,
yes,
it's an interesting
it's the nature
time
of your business.
It's what we do.
All right. Up next on Valley News Live at 5, a cancer-causing solvent is discovered in a popular brand of hand sanitizer.